truck manufacturers from all over the world. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey that will take us across continents, exploring the truck manufacturers from all over the world. Let's start our journey in Europe with Mercedes-Benz. Headquartered in Germany and established in 1886, is a prominent global player in the trucking industry. Operating across 30 countries, the company achieved significant sales, surpassing 250,000 trucks. Their flagship model, the Mercedes-Benz Actros, is widely recognized. Mercedes-Benz is a part of Daimler Trucks, the world's largest truck manufacturer. Volvo Trucks, founded in Sweden in 1927, has established a robust global presence, spanning over 190 countries. Their 2023 sales exceeded 250,000 trucks, with the Volvo FH being their flagship model. Volvo Trucks was the first truck manufacturer to introduce a cab crash test in 1969 and invented the seatbelt. Scania, another key player from Sweden with origins dating back to 1891, operates in over 100 countries. In 2023, their truck sales exceeded 150,000 units, with the Scania R being their most renowned model. Scania is known for their engine production and is the only European brand which still produces V8 engines for trucks. MAN Truck & Bus, a German company established in 1898, has a widespread presence across 180 countries. Their 2023 sales exceeded 200,000 trucks, and their flagship model, the MAN TGX, is highly regarded. Back in 1897, Rudolf Diesel developed the world's first diesel engine together with MAN engineers. Founded in 1975, IVECO is operating in more than 160 countries. IVECO achieved remarkable sales, surpassing 400,000 trucks in 2023. Their flagship model, the IVECO Stralis, is widely recognized. Renault Trucks, established in France in 1899, boasts a presence in over 100 countries. Their 2023 sales exceeded 150,000 trucks, with Renault Trucks T being their standout model. A noteworthy detail is that Renault Trucks is a proud member of the Volvo Group, which ranks as the world's second-largest truck manufacturer. Further enriching the global landscape is DAF Trucks, a Netherlands-based company founded in 1928. Operating in over 100 countries, DAF Trucks achieved sales exceeding 100,000 trucks in 2023, with their DAF XF model gaining widespread recognition. DAF Trucks proudly holds the title of the largest truck manufacturer in the Netherlands and is a part of the America PACCAR Group. Meanwhile, Hino Motors, originating from Japan and founded in 1942, operates in over 100 countries. Their truck sales in 2023 surpassed 200,000 units, with the Hino Profia standing out as their most renowned model. Hino Motors takes pride in being the largest truck manufacturer in Japan, adding to the diverse tapestry of global truck manufacturers. Isuzu Motors, originating from Japan and established in 1916, operating in over 100 countries, Isuzu Motors achieved remarkable sales figures, surpassing 500,000 trucks in 2023. Their flagship model, the Isuzu Elf, is widely recognized. An interesting detail is that Isuzu Motors holds the esteemed title of being the world's largest manufacturer of medium-duty trucks. Mitsubishi Fuso Truck and Bus Corporation, also based in Japan and founded in 1932. With a presence in over 170 countries, they exceeded 300,000 truck sales in 2023. The Mitsubishi Fuso Canter stands out as their most renowned model. Notably, this corporation operates as a subsidiary of Daimler Trucks, a testament to its global reach and partnerships. UD Trucks, formerly known as Nissan Diesel and hailing from Japan, has been a key player since its establishment in 1935. Operating in over 60 countries, they recorded over 50,000 truck sales in 2023, with the UD Trucks Quan being their flagship model. An interesting fact is that UD Trucks operates as a subsidiary of Isuzu Motors, emphasizing the collaborative nature of the industry. Kenworth Truck Company, Headquartered in the United States and founded in 1923, has made significant strides in North America. Their most recognized model is the Kenworth W900. Notably, Kenworth Truck Company operates under the umbrella of PACCAR, who manufacture medium and heavy-duty trucks. Peterbilt Motors Company, established in the United States in 1938. Their notable model, the Peterbilt 389. A distinctive feature of Peterbilt Motors Company is its affiliation with PACCAR, a global leader in manufacturing medium and heavy-duty trucks. Mack Trucks, an influential player since its founding in 1900 in the United States, has made substantial strides in the same regions. Widely recognized for their Mack Anthem model, they achieved impressive sales figures, surpassing 50,000 trucks in 2023. A unique aspect of Mack Trucks is its association with the Volvo Group, the world's second-largest truck manufacturer. International Trucks, established in 1902 in the United States. Their flagship model, the International LT, led to sales exceeding 100,000 trucks in 2023. Operating as a subsidiary of Navistar International, one of the world's top 5 heavy-duty truck manufacturers, International Trucks has solidified its position in the market. Freightliner Trucks, a prominent player founded in 1942 in the United States, has become a significant force in the industry. Their flagship model, the Freightliner Cascadia, achieved remarkable sales, surpassing 200,000 trucks in 2023, making it the most sold heavy-duty truck in America. A pivotal aspect of Freightliner Trucks is its affiliation with Daimler Trucks, the largest truck manufacturer globally, adding to its reputation and reach. Western Star Trucks, established in 1967 in the United States, has carved a niche for itself. Known for their Western Star 4900 model, they achieved sales exceeding 10,000 trucks in 2023. Western Star Trucks operates under the umbrella of Daimler Trucks, further solidifying its presence in the market. These companies collectively underscore the vibrant and competitive landscape of the truck manufacturing industry in the Americas. Tata Motors, an Indian company founded in 1945, is synonymous with affordability and reliability. Their fleet of trucks, SUVs, and cars has captured the hearts of millions worldwide. Did you know they operate not just in India, but also in over 125 countries? Tata Motors sells over 1 million vehicles every year, making them a powerhouse in the automobile industry. Their iconic Tata Ace, a light commercial vehicle, is a true game changer. Ashok Leyland, born in 1948. This powerhouse specializes in heavy-duty trucks and buses, proving their mettle not just in India, where it originated, but in more than 50 countries globally. With over 200,000 vehicles sold annually, Ashok Leyland was the very first Indian commercial vehicle manufacturer to export its top-notch products. Eicher Motors, a name that resonates with heavy-duty trucks and bus enthusiasts. Established in 1948, Eicher Motors has a strong presence in India and over 50 countries. Their annual sales, surpassing 150,000 vehicles, notably their Eicher Pro 100, a light commercial vehicle, stands out in the crowd. Eicher Motors is a joint venture between the Eicher Group and Volvo Group. Mahindra Trucks and Buses is a prominent player in the commercial vehicle segment and is a subsidiary of Mahindra & Mahindra, one of India's largest automobile manufacturers. Established in 1945, Mahindra Trucks and Buses has a rich history and a strong presence in the Indian market, as well as several international markets where they sell over 100,000 vehicles every year. Kamaz. All the way from Russia, we have Kamaz, a heavyweight in the realm of heavy-duty trucks and buses. Established in 1976, Kamaz operates not only in its homeland, but also spreads its wheels over 40 countries worldwide. Their most renowned model, the Kamaz 6520, stands tall as a symbol of Russian engineering excellence. Kamaz holds the crown as the largest truck manufacturer in Russia, a testament to their unmatched expertise. Gaz Group, a trailblazer in the world of light and medium-duty trucks and buses. With roots tracing back to 1932, this Russian giant operates in over 40 countries. Their star player, the Gaz Gazelle, a light commercial vehicle, has won hearts globally. and produces over 200,000 vehicles annually. Gaz Group proudly boasts the title of being the oldest truck and bus manufacturer in Russia. Well, this was part 1 of truck manufacturers from all over the world. Stay tuned and get ready to dive deeper into the fascinating world of trucks from around the world in our upcoming part 2. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss it. Until then, safe travels, and we'll catch you in the next episode.